Good afternoon. Today is day 4 that I've been sick with the super flu, but I wanted to make a video for you guys. This summer I asked some of y'all to help me by sharing a meme that asked people to vote for SJR 34 or the parental rights embedment into the Texas Constitution. This last election cycle, we won. We got the voters to vote for parental rights, and now it's embedded in the Texas Constitution. A lot of people seem to doubt me. I've done a lot of research, and that's why I'm making this video, is to give you an update as to what I am seeing. So we have a follower that follows me. She's been keeping me updated with her case, and it's in the Texas Supreme Court. In her case, it has to deal with CPS, and I'll tell you that the Texas Public Policy Foundation and the Family Freedom Project both filed amicus briefs into her case for the Texas Supreme Court. And I'm hearing that Cecilia Wood, who's also an advocate for parental rights, just filed an amicus brief. Now, what does that mean for you guys? Some of y'all have never heard or seen the Family Freedom Project or the Texas Public Policy Foundation, but these guys are heavy hitters when it comes to filing amicus briefs in cases with the Texas Supreme Court. So these guys absolutely know what they're talking about, and a lot of their amicus briefs are pretty much the same. They're making the same arguments. So instead of y'all reading all of these briefs, what I have done is I've read them for you, and I've highlighted and underlined them for you, and I've put them on social media. Some of y'all don't know where I get these briefs from. I don't put the whole brief. Some of them are 30 pages, but I put some highlighted portions for you to read. And let me just read some of these to you. In oral arguments, Justice Sullivan asked the state how Texas Constitution Article 137 governs this case. In response, DFPS attorneys stated, "I don't think that it changes much." This answer is telling. The state appears to treat parental rights as an abstract idea with little practical limit on state power. As a consequence of this attitude, innocent parents are in the crosshairs of DFPS. They must choose whether to comply with demands that far exceed any compelling state interest or risk the destruction of their family. Texas Constitution Article 1, Section 37 declares a clear boundary beyond which government, without a compelling reason, may not cross. If you know what may not means in the legal sense, this means absolutely cannot cross. It was placed there by the people of Texas as a protection against their own government. It is the first time in history, our nation, that any people have so clearly and holistically enumerated the God-given rights of parents in the highest law of their land. But this boundary means nothing if it's not enforced. Now the people of Texas need this court to remind the state and the lower courts of this fact. The court should provide much needed clarity to the state and to the lower courts as to the boundaries of the state power over families. Parental rights have no such respect from this state. Under the Texas Constitution, Article 1, Section 37, exploratory surgery on Texas families is prohibited. The state's intervention must be carefully, surgically precise intervention that eliminates no more than the exact source of evil it seeks to remedy. And let me leave you with this one. The Due Process Clause does not permit a state to infringe on the fundamental rights of parents to make child-rearing decisions simply because a state judge believes a better decision could be made. Troxel v. Granville in year 2000. So what we're seeing is a lot of redundant arguments at the higher court. We're seeing those words, compelling state interest. We're seeing how a lot of these foundations are coming up and writing amicus briefs fighting for parental rights, and they're using the Texas Constitution to do that. And I encourage you to keep digging in, to keep pushing. We've got this, and we're moving full steam ahead. I think we're changing the landscape of family law here in the state of Texas. Thanks for watching. If you'd like to donate for any of the things that I do, feel free, DM me. We can always use the help. Thank you.